to our graphic design and logo making using our Canva application. So today we'll be talking about Canva AI. Canva AI. Some of you will be asking, so does Canva have AI? Yeah, Canva has AI. It's just like ChatGPT. You can ask question. In fact, anything you ask Canva AI, it will bring it. It will give you answer in form of graphics. Form of what? Graphics to bring out image. It's for you to now edit. So let's go to where our Canva AI is, still inside the same Canva app. So once you have opened your application, click on these three dots where you see more. Click on it. Then you look at, read everything. Don't just rush. You see brand, you see Canva AI app, Dream Lab. So your business is Canva AI. Click on Canva AI. So what will you design today? So this Canva AI is about design. You ask question to give you your design. So I was trying to make a video, logo video in the last class, but because of some issue, I could not complete it. So here you're going to describe your logo. I will be using logo first before uh graphics, before the graphic design or any design. So we want to create logo again using this Canva AI, just in case maybe the other video, last video, you didn't really understand it more, or you can't create logo, or maybe the old logo you are seeing there, just because they are on maybe on free version, you don't like it, you can come to your Canva AI and check and ask, I need simple, I need logo logo design for MG Momo. Put in capital letter MG. I'm using my name because that's what I like to use. I need logo design for MG Momo Chicken. Chicken. So you bracket, you put in apostrophe, so that it will mark it to know that this is what you're actually asking for. You mark it. I need logo design for MG Momo Kitchen. So sometimes your write-ups may be confusing, so it will rearrange it for you, just like ChatGPT. So all these things, we call it prompts. We call them prompts. So how to get prompt, we also discuss that, but not now. So we'll continue. You send it. Once you send it, you wait for it to load the images. It will read everything and change the text, change everything. So you say, I will create logo design for MG Momo Kitchen for you. Then you wait for it to bring out the pictures we have for today. Then under here, it will load out details. Once the details is published, then the image will also appear. So let's wait a little. Wait a little. Okay, you can see that some of them is about to publish, so some are already published. So you look at it. Yes, I have created several logos for MG Momo Kitchen. You will see options with different style, sleek and modern. So these are what I'm supposed to provide. If you look at this place, modern circular plate, inspired element of vibrant design that emphasize culinary warmth and creativity. Each design feature your business name. Yes, I'm supposed to describe it, maybe it should ask plate or whatever, but you can see now this actual logo does not define maybe kitchen or restaurant. No, it doesn't require. So I will go again. I'll copy it, and place it here. So you can see what I said before. My write up does not make it to bring what I want. So I'll edit it again. I need logo design for MG Momo Kitchen. Then it says it should okay, put it this way. The logo will portray portray a 3D image of a plate and spoon or varieties of food. I think this is okay for it now. Then I send it. Also wait for it to appear. So I will create. Okay, it's still showing. We wait for it to give us pictures. Yes, you can see now. This is what we are actually looking for. Like this one. This one's also okay. Like this one's also okay. So this is what Canva AI can do for us. We don't need to crack our brain and say, oh, how will I start the design? How will I start the design? How to start the design is the issue. But with Canva AI, is a little bit easier for us. So anyone you are choosing, I think between all of them, I will choose this one. Let me go with this. So you click on this pencil, where pencil is, you click on it for you to edit more, maybe add and reduce, because in design you must add, you must reduce, you must add, you must reduce. So you don't think maybe once you start designing, you must do mistake. Maybe at first, maybe if a design, maybe as you start a design today, maybe the person needs the design in 1 week. You start today, maybe at the end of, maybe you are now busy, maybe something else come up, you drop the design. Tomorrow when you enter the application to continue design, you will see that you must change something. You see that in the color or the text, you must add, you must reduce. Without that, your design is not complete. And remember this, Canva design, when you're designing, it must not be that you must finish the design before you leave the application. You can, maybe as you start the design and something, maybe you are called or you want to go to somewhere, maybe you cannot finish it, or you are confused, just you can leave the application. When you come back, you meet the design. When you come back, you meet the design. I'll show you how you're going to see your design. So this is the logo which we have choose. So, and I want it, which is I like the design, MG Momo Kitchen. So I don't want the name to be on top of the plate. I'll click on the name and drag it up. The logo, the food, the plate that portrays it, and bring it down. So the name, I'll bring it down again. But since it's a logo, not design, I think it's better it should be inside the plate. That shows it's a real logo. That shows it's a logo. Then kitchen, I'll adjust it. I can now change the if I want it, if I don't want it straight, I can move it this way. So if you want it this way like this, you adjust it. That's what I'm saying. If you don't want it like, you can adjust the design. Click on it again. Watch at me. I use my two hands to drag it, position it the way I want. So I may now position it like this. That is another way to create logo. I think this for this, you're able to design your own. So with this one now, my logo is set. My design of logo is already set. I may add more things inside the plate, but let me leave it this way. Then I download. Then once it's download, I think that's all. You can go back to your gallery and you see your designs there.